Hooker's green, indigo, chromium oxide, turquoise, Payne's grey, light red, yellow ochre, new gamboge, cad yellow medium, cad yellow light, Winsor lemon, sap green, cad orange, cad red dark, permanent rose, alizarin crimson, Venetian red, Indian red, manganese brown, burnt umber, raw umber, burnt sienna, raw sienna, dark saline purple, ultramarine blue, Winsor blue red shade, cobalt blue hue, cerulean blue, bit of sepia there, and that is a bit of neutral tint. So it goes this way. So these are the colours from the beginning, the Hooker's green. That's where it starts. I went this way and then there.